Assalamualaikum and a very good day. So today I would like to present on our subject of UKQT3001 section 15 ExCEL. Our project is named Campus Caretakers, which located in College Perdana 81300 Johor Bahru, Johor. So now I would like to introduce my group members. First of all, me, Norariffin AFIQAH binti Muhammad NIZAM. Next, NAJIHAH binti SHAHARIN. Next, Muhammad HARIZ Shahir bin Abdul Rahim. And then Imran bin Norariffin. And finally, AKMAL HUSNI bin Abdul Aziz. And then we move on to the introduction to graduate attributes. So what is graduate attributes? Graduate attribute is the essential knowledge, skills, ability, and personal qualities that students are expected to possess upon completing their degree to succeed in their chosen field and contribute to the society. There are 7 lists of graduate attributes, which are leadership and teamworking skills, thinking skills, communication skills, adaptability, enterprising skills, scholarship, and global citizen.
Next, we move on to the weakness of graduate attributes among UTM students. We have carried out a survey from 30 respondents and we found that the leadership and team working skill is the most weak of selected graduate attributes among them. The student may struggle to communicate effectively within the teams, which leading to misunderstandings. Not only that, they also find it difficult to step up and guide a group of situation. The second one is adaptability. Uh, if they lack of adaptability attributes, they will find it difficult to adjust to the new environment. And last but not least is global citizen and thinking skills. When the student lack of global citizen and thinking skill, they would have a limited civic engagement and social responsibility. Not only that, they also reduce analytical and evaluative thinking. Okay, so this is the result of the survey that shows which graduate attributes need to be improved. As you can see, the top 3 of the result is the first one, leadership and team working skills with 80%, and the second one is adaptability, which is in 56.7%, and the last one is thinking skills and global citizen with the same result, which is 53.3%.
So here is the activity details that will be held on 3rd June of 2023 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. The activity name was given as a campus caretakers which be held at College Perdana Court U4. And the goals and the objective of the program is to build an awareness of environmental issues, and besides building a networking between UTM students and UTM staff as well. Next, this program participate open for all UTM student and staff to participate. Since the program will be conducted at College Perdana, so the student organisation is consists of JKM College Perdana, and the invited guests will be the principal of College Perdana, which is Dr. Samsul Hendra bin Hilman.
Thank you, Imran, for presenting your part. Now I will present my part. My name is AKMAL HUSNI bin Abdul Aziz. For the activity schedule, as we all know, the activity starts from 9 a.m. till 2 p.m. For the first part, which is 9 a.m. till 9:30 a.m., the arrival of students and also the UTM staff members. For 9:30 a.m., the next part, arrival of the invited guest, which is Dr. Shamsul Hendra. From 9:30 a.m. till 10 a.m., the opening speech that will be given by Dr. Shamsul Hendra itself and also our leader. And for the recitation of Dua, will be given by me, Akmal Husni bin Abdul Aziz. Okay, for 10 a.m. till 10:30 a.m., briefing on the tasks be given by our team to the UTM staff and also the students. to make sure that they know what they are going to do throughout the day. From 10:30 a.m. till at 1 p.m., the activity will be carried out, and from 1 p.m. till 1:30 p.m., resting time and also food distribution. For 1:30 p.m. till 2 p.m., which is the last part, a closing ceremony will be given and also a photo session to remember everything that we do as a memory, and also will be given a sigil or e-certificate or sorry my bad certificate, yes. Okay, next I will present on the financial statement. Okay, next part is the financial statement. I will briefly explain around the fundings and also the expenditures. For the fundings, we targeted around 600 ringgit, which includes first is the sponsorship from UTM HEP or Pusat Islam, around 400 ringgit, and also donation from the UTM students and also staff members or the community itself for around 200 ringgit. Next is the expenditures. For the food and drinks, we targeted around 40 sets, which is the community involved in this program, around 200 ringgit. For the equipment, every equipment is around 2 ringgit 40 cents each unit for glove, paper bag, broom, and also shovel. Lastly is the certificate, which is around 160 ringgit for 40 people. Next, I will present on the monitoring and also evaluation. Okay, for the last part, I will present on the monitoring and also the evaluations. For monitoring, I will briefly explain just a little bit. First is the pre-program. The details are discussion of the program, the proposal paper, distributing the tasks and responsibilities to each members, collecting of funds and also sponsorships, and also preparing checklist. For during the program, we wanted to make sure that the team members meet their roles and duties, provide interactive sessions and fun activities between programs such as briefing and talk sessions, making students and UTM staff feel engaged with each other and build a good relationship. Next is making sure that all participants involved uh, and also making sure that everyone will be given the certificates and also food and drinks. Lastly, making sure that this program can give a valuable lessons regarding environmental issues. For the post program, we will do a program evaluation such as Google form, as we can see here, to gain feedbacks. Next, we will do a program report and also video of the program. For the evaluation, we will do a form which the entitle of this the main objective is that we want to get a feedback and know what the community feels about these events, or what the UTM students and also the staff gain from this event. That's all for me. Thank you. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Muhammad Aishah bin Abdul Rahim. Today I would like to present the importance of this program to graduate attributes. First of all, to develop their sense of responsibility and work ethics. Second one is to help students develop their leadership potentials, in which categorize in the leaderships and team working skill of the graduate attributes. As we all know, leadership is very important to ourselves and for the reference and for our guidance in the working era in the future. Lastly, to help students develop a strong sense of community and social responsibility, in which also very closely related to the global citizens in the attributes. That's all from me. Thank you.
So conclusion of our project, which is campus caretakers, based on the graduate attributes, are valuable initiative that helps university students develop important life skills and graduate attributes outside of their academic studies. And then student can learn responsibility, work ethic, leadership, communication, teamwork, and social responsibility. And finally, Students can gain practical experience in a team-based environment and develop a strong sense of community purpose. Thank you for watching.